Kucoin is one of the best crypto exchanges nowadays. Being a user-friendly exchange, Kucoin is a best option for newcomers to get started with. Besides, it also has a relatively low fees and many coins to choose from. So if you are a new trader and interested in this exchange, this video is for you because in this video, we're gonna show you how to create your own account and enable KYC on this exchange. Besides, just by clicking on the referral link or using our referral code in the description below, you can get 20% off all trading fees. Now let's start by creating your own account on Kucoin. So first, make sure that you have the Kucoin app on your phone. If you haven't got one, please go to the App Store to download it on your phone. Now just open the app. And as you can see here, this is the interface and features of Kucoin. It's quite similar to other exchanges. And here is where you're gonna log in. Now please tap on Sign Up. You can register by your phone number or using your email. Here I would using my email for register. Fill in your email and tap Send to get the code. You need to complete the puzzle to get the code. There will be a code sent to your email, so go to your email and copy the code. And then paste it back here and tap Next. Now it's time to set your password. Make sure that your password is strong enough. For the referral code, you can use our referral code or click on the referral link in the description below to get 20% off all trading fees for register. I'm gonna type in our referral code here and then tap Sign Up. You now have successfully signed up and welcome to Kucoin. Now come to your account. Tap on Security. As you can see here, you have already linked your email. Now you have to enable your phone number and Google verification. So tap on Phone. You need to get the email verification code first. Tap Send to receive the code. And go to your email box to get the code. Copy the code and paste it back here. And then confirm. Now choose your countries. And then fill in your phone number and tap Send to get the code. There will be a code sent to your phone number, so just paste it here. And then tap Activate to complete the process. Now come to the Google verification. Tap Send to receive the SMS code and type it in here and then confirm. Here is an instructions. So simply it is that you need to download the Google Authenticator app on your phones. Because I have already installed it, so I will tap Continue. So in step 2, you need to copy the private key and go to the Google Authenticator app. Now enter a setup key. You need to select a name for your account and paste the private key here and then add. Now this is your Google Authenticator code. Copy the code and go back to the Kucoin app, paste it in 2FA code, and then tap Activate. Now you're done with the Google verification. And there's still one more step, that is enable the KYC on your account. You can see here there is the word unverified on the upper right of your screen. So tap on it to verify your identity. Now what you need to do is fill in your information, including your country, your surname, your first name, and then please choose one of these identity document type that you would use to verify your account. Here I would choose the ID card and fill in the ID number. You need to confirm that you have read and agree to disclaimer of user identity authentication. And then tap on Submit. Now you have basically verified your account. Tap on Continue Advanced Verification. In this step, you need to take the front and back photo of your ID card. Just follow the step that I did on the screen. Now you need to follow the instruction on the screen for facial recognition. And now you have passed the advanced identity verifications. And your account now is verified. You can start trading and making transactions on this exchange. If you are looking for a complete walkthrough of any crypto exchanges, please check out the links down below. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe to Kayak Master, and also turn on the notification bells for more tutorials. We still have a lot of bonuses and promotes that we can't wait to share with you guys. See you in the next video.